What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hustle, King Hustle 2.0, King Hustle X1M, The Hustle Family, King Hustle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people making fake accounts, scamming people with my face and fake pictures and stuff. So please get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face, to make sure you're doing legit business, and to make sure you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be talking about another credit builder place. They're giving people second chances. They're giving people credit cards with high limits, all right? And I know a lot of people probably never heard of them, which is fine. So I'm going to bring them to the forefront for you guys. I'm going to bring them to your acknowledgement. It's called Petal. All right, Petal cards. The Petal card, basically, it's a cards for every type of credit builder. There's a lot of people out there trying to build their credit. And like I said, the purpose of building your personal credit is to leverage it towards your business credit, so you guys can really get the loans and the lines of credit and the credit cards that you guys really need. All right, so today we're going to talk about Petal card, the Petal card. Bad credit, you can get up to $5,000 to $10,000 depending on which card that you get. And now listen, y'all know I tell y'all every video how to set up y'all credit reports and set up y'all profile so y'all can get approved for these credit cards, loans, and everything. Everything is different. Everything has a different process of getting approved for it, right? So for credit cards, you got a better chance of getting approved with more of your credit score, vice versa. Bank statements and all stuff, things like that, right? So boom, credit cards, bad credit cards, second chance credit builder credit cards. The way you get approved for these cards, you have to have, well, anything, but you got to have that high limit debt. You got to have a high, let's say, you got to have a high credit usage on your credit report to start getting approved for these credit cards on your credit report. Now, I told y'all about the trade lines. I told y'all about the AU accounts. You just got to add the right ones at the right time. Now, we're going to continue to go through these same steps every video so you can be implanted in y'all head and y'all can start getting the loans and everything that y'all need. But y'all know if y'all need help getting loans, I'm going to help y'all do that. Just tap in and get y'all lessons. But you're going to get an Experian account. So go to www.experian.com and all that, boom. Go sign up. It's like $24 a month, $25 a month. Once you get your account, you're going to be able to see your whole credit, all your credit, what's going on, your usage, all that, right? Once you see what's going on, if you're 18, 19, or have no credit, have nothing that you're paying, you have no credit. So you have to build your debt on your credit report. So all you're going to have to do is add the AUs and the trade lines to your credit report because you don't have any trade lines on there. You're not paying anything off. Cell phone bills don't matter. That's small stuff. You got to put all that into one and make it make sense. So cell phone bills, you think you're getting credit off that? Everybody thinking just because you're paying the bills reflected on your credit. No, it don't work like that. All right, so get these AU accounts. Trade line supply. What's my other site? We got superiortradelines.com. We got digital honey.money. We got personaltradelines.com. shoppersonaltradelines.com. We got trade line supply. Credit Strong, right? So you're gonna go to Credit Strong, and you don't even, if I was you, you don't just add like a $5,000 or you can add a $10,000 installment loan to your credit report. Add one of those, boom. And like I said, you're gonna clean your credit up first. You're gonna dispute all, you're gonna freeze it, all your credit reports. You're going to freeze them. You're going to dispute everything, watch them fall off, and you're going to start adding the trade lines. Do not add trade lines. This is for the people who have debt on their credit. Clean it up, freeze it, dispute it, delete it, then add the trade lines. For people who don't got no credit, just add the trade lines. So trade lines from the creditstrong.com. Then you can start adding the AU accounts. And the AU accounts, the authorized users, are the credit accounts with the credit limits on there. So you got to chase a TD Bank with a $1,000 credit limit that's been open for 2 years and 5 months. They only want $200 for it. But if you want a $10,000 Capital One account that's only been open for 9 months, they want $260 for it. Like, it's different accounts, different things going on. So you gotta really just, so like if you was 18, 19, 20, anything like that, you would want to get an account to say, okay, if you 18, you gotta do the math. How long have you been 18? So let's say you've been 18 for 10 months. You would want to get one of these cards that's been open for 7 months. So it's a $10,000 credit card or a small credit card. You don't want no high limit because it got to make sense. Like, you don't got no credit, so how are you able to get this high limit credit card, right? So you want to be able to build your credit. So you might want to get this one for 3,500, 3,000, 1,000. That's just your first one of those small ones, just to start building like you building your real credit. And then you want to start getting the bigger trade lines to add to your, you just want to, so the first one, small. The second one, a little bit bigger. The third one, a little bit bigger than the second one. The fourth one, a little bit bigger than the third one. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. You want to keep building them up, and you want to pay attention to the age on them, right? Then you want to get your AU account. I mean, them is the AU accounts, right? So then once you get that, you let it marinate for a second. Then you want to go apply for your Petal card, your Petal Second Chance Credit Builder credit card, either $5,000 or $10,000, right? So before we go to the site, let's backtrack and recap. If you're 18 or older, or just turned 18, 19, 20, 21, you're starting to build your credit, you don't have nothing on your credit report, nothing at all, go get those trade lines. Credit Strong and Trade Line Supply, or shop.personaltradelines.com. Add the trade lines. If you're somebody who has debt on your credit and want to clean it up, you're going to freeze your 3 credit bureaus, dispute all your old accounts. Any account 7 years or older is classified as expired, so those will be the first ones you see falling off. Then you start adding your trade lines. Once you let that marinate, then you're going to go to this site right here, petalcard.com, and I'm going to show you how to get your second chance high limit bad credit card. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the Petal card, making credit history. Welcome to Credit, no experience necessary. All right, so cards for every type of credit builder. Petal One, build credit without an annual membership fee. So annual membership fee is $0. Cash back, all select merchants, 2% to 10%. Credit limit, $300 to $5,000. Variable APR, 24.74 and 3.4.24. Path to credit limit increase. All right, so this is the first second chance credit builder credit card. Now the second one, all rewards, no fees. Annual membership fee, no fees of any kind. Cash back, 1% to 1.5%. Credit limit, $300 to $10,000. Variable APR, 17.74 to 31.74. Path to credit limit increase. All right, so first we're gonna learn more about this one right here. All right, so access to credit begins here. Card issued by Web Bank. All right, so to start, to rebuild, to last. All right, the Petal One family cards is designed to help you build credit responsibly, whether you're establishing credit for the first time or rebuilding your credit score. All right, so it just breaks down this. So understanding the path to a limit increase. With the LEAP program, earn a credit line increase in 6 months by making qualifying one-time payments. Find cash back near you, track your score. So annual fees, Petal One, no. Petal One Rise, yes. Capital One Platinum, no. Cashback at select merchants, no. No foreign fees on transactions. Variable APR 24.74 to 34.24, 27.99% to 35.24%, 28.49%. So, lose the unnecessary fees. Pedal One travels well. There is no foreign transaction fee. Help avoiding late fees. Enable auto pay so you don't miss scheduling a payment. I'll be telling y'all about that auto pay. Credit history made simple. Pay from your phone. Add a pedal card to your mobile wallet. For easy on-the-go payments designed to build credit, we report to the major bureaus so you can grow your credit score with responsible credit use. Equipped with calculus payment technology for fast and secure checkouts. Simply tap and go. So build credit securely. All right. Freeze your card. With a tap of the Pedal app, you can freeze your card anytime to protect your account. Protection from fraud. Pedal's fraud detection technology can quickly spot suspicious card activity and take action. Keep your data safe. Your card data is crucial. Rest assured, Pedal encrypts and protects your personal information. All right, so if you see if you're pre-approved for the Pedal card, no credit check required. All right, so when I say that means you're pre-approved. Go ahead and get your credit card, either $5,000 or $10,000. And after 6 months, they'll raise the credit up. All right, so depending on what you got going on, you can either get the $5,000 or the $10,000 one. All right, and whichever one you get, make sure you use it wisely. So without further ado, let's talk about Pedal. And they got different cards. They got these two cards too. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Pedal. All right, then you guys got it. The Pedal card, either $5,000 or $10,000. Which one you ever qualify for? After 6 months, if you make on-time payments, they will boost your credit limit up to a higher amount. All right, so make sure y'all going to check out the Pedal card. Make sure y'all doing whatever I told y'all to do in the beginning of the video to have a better chance of getting approved for these credit cards, lines of credits, and loans. All right, these trade lines, these AU accounts, these authorized user accounts will definitely help you get to the spots and the situations and get the money that you really need to succeed. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in. Make sure you go check them out. All right, so there you guys got it. Go get y'all money. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, all y'all, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all know what y'all want when y'all DM me on IG, because a lot of people just be like, y'all be too old for that. Like it's starting to like be old. Like y'all too old to be right. I'm trying to make money. Just write me saying I'm trying to look money, or yo, or no. When you DM me in my inbox, know what you want, because I post everything all day, every day on all my social media platforms. So I'm telling y'all right now, Unlimited Gems, FaceTime 101s is $1,200. Unlimited Gems is Unlimited Gems. I don't know how else to say it. All my posts got everything that come with it. So CPN, credit builder, how to add, get loans, how to get credit cards, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, just Unlimited Gems. Like, I don't know what else to say. All right, so Unlimited Gems, FaceTime 101s is $1,200. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person Unlimited Gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. Book your seat. I'm doing mentorships for $2,500. I'm going to teach you everything. We're going to make passive income together. We're going to make YouTubes together. We're going to make this money off YouTube. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to do credit. I'm going to show you CPNs. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. All right, so come get mentored. You're going to be making money with me, too, with the in-person Unlimited Gems, too. So if you get the in-person Unlimited Gems, we're going to make money together, too, all right? So in-person Unlimited Gems and mentorships, those, if you get those, you will be making money with me. You just got to be consistent and be serious about it, or you just won't get paid. Credit lessons is $600. I'm going to show you how to clean your credit and build your credit so you can start getting loans. If you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. Still looking for people for the production company. Make sure y'all tap it in. Actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, content creators. Music reviews is $200. Stop writing me saying, yo, I'm ready to work. sign me, let's make this money. Nah, don't write me, none of that. Music reviews is $200. If you don't got $200 to invest in yourself, or you feel like you don't want to pay me $200 for me to sign, for me to check you out because you're writing me, because you want to sign to my record label, you want to get my chain and you want to get the watch. No, music reviews is $200. If you ain't got $200 invested into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? Nothing is free. It is expensive to get somebody popping in this music industry. So like I said, if you don't got $200 to invest in yourself, please don't send me your music. Please don't write me on IG saying, let's work, tap in, none of that. Because I'm not going to respond. I'm deleting the message. Models, any beautiful women out there that's ready to elevate, that's ready to get their face seen on the screen, that's ready to put in that work, that's ready to build a platform and a brand, tap in. Let's get to work. I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to do podcasts. I'm going to show you how to do skits, blogs, interacting with the fans, asking questions in the mall, relationship questions. We're going to be traveling. We're going to be doing a lot of different stuff. So make sure you're ready to work. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Make sure your attitude is cool, because I don't be dealing with them bad attitudes or none of that. Women thinking they something when they not. I know a little bit about a lot, clearly, so make it make sense, all right? If you so bad and doing so much, why you don't got a 700 credit score? Why you don't own anything? Why you still renting? Why, you know what I'm saying? Like, why you got like 30 kids? And okay, so I'm no disrespect, but I'm just here to help you win. If you think you better than something that you're not, because I know I'm not better than nobody, but I know a little bit about a lot, and I'm not perfect, but I know how to make. I got common sense to do what I need to do to make it happen. So tap in, let's get this money. Teamwork make the dream work. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Point blank period. Let's win. Also, cameraman, if you in Houston, Texas, you a videographer, a real videographer, which means when you write me and I go to your page, you got real videos that you directed and you edited. I'm talking about good masking skills, color grading skills, all that. Tap in with me, Houston, Texas. Or if you in Texas, tap in, surrounding areas, or can travel, tap in. Miami coming up, we finna push out content. Content equal views. Views equal money. So let's get paid, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to win. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all lessons. You got $1,000. You trying to make 10,000 or 11,500, depending on the day, how I'm feeling. Tap in. You got $600. You trying to learn how to make $6,500. You want to make $6,500. Tap in. Let's win. Let's get this money. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.